Welcome to the Mimaki stand at FESPA 2021. This year we're bringing the real print experience back to life. So, first of all, what do you think about this Mimaki booth?
It's a really amazing booth.
When I came in, it was first eye-catching place.
This year the 3D printer is really new for me, and it looks very modern and like a future.
When I walk in and saw this, it's quite interesting.
Amazing.
I believe this will give us new opportunities in the middle market of the 3D market.
About the flatbed printer, 200 square meters per hour for such a machine is also very good capacity.
I am Karina Guzman and I'm the designer of this jumpsuit. As you can see, the colors, they are really nice and vibrating.
What I like about the applications is the details and the colors. Nice. My favorite is, I think this one.
Those gadgets is really impressive that they can print it in one run.
They are very clear, you don't see that it's printed.
And I also like the keychains.